Fairy, please help.
Listen. Now, you see the universe, and you should go to the moon first to fight the game, in order to go the next challenge. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great. Start your journey by clicking the moon now. Talk to me again if needed. Good luck.
Thanks, Fairy.
You are welcome.
好啦，咁我哋而家完成咗個對話啦喎，咁我哋知道而家我哋要去到 moon 啦，咁我哋去啦。好啦，嚟到呢個版面呢，咁我哋要玩一個遊戲喎，咁但係我哋唔知道點樣去玩呢，咁我哋又要問下 Fairy 啦喎。咁呢，其實每一次講嘢嘅時候呢，你都係需要呢撳 Insert Key 去 start 你嘅 voice 嘅，咁嘟一聲之後先至可以講到嘢嘅，咁同埋係啦。